What's up everyone, it's your girl Shealafelix, and in today's video we're going to learn exactly how to hide our subscriber count. If you haven't done so, I would implore you to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. Okay, so if hiding your subscriber count is something that you're interested in doing, why don't you go ahead and watch the tutorial. With that being said, let's jump right into today's video.
Okay guys, so this is what my subscriber count looks like. So the first thing we're going to do is select the icon. Then you're going to go to YouTube Studio. From there we're going to look for the settings on the left. Then once the settings open up, we're going to go to Channel. Then we're going to select Advanced Channel. So we're going to scroll down to the subscriber count, and you're going to see a checkbox there that you want to uncheck that checkbox. And then you're going to go down to the bottom and click Save. So after you've saved that, you should see that your subscriber count is clear. So now let's go back and check our subscriber count. And guys, we're going to see here that no subscriber count is shown.